In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning 3D photos using a Gemini AI prompt. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. So the first step in making your very own 3D images is to think about the object you want to generate. It could be anything: an object from your daily life, a character from a story, or even a piece of fantasy art. The beauty of using AI is that you can create something truly unique with just a prompt. As you get started, remember to visualize what you want your 3D image to look like. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for the rest of the process. Once you have your object in mind, the next step is to describe it in detail. This means thinking about its characteristics. What color is it? What shape does it have? Does it have distinct features, like textures or patterns? When you're ready to describe your object, aim for clarity and vividness in your words. I will take your description and use it to generate an accurate 3D model image. So, now that you've got a solid description of the object, it's time to involve the AI. Open up your preferred AI model and ask it to generate a prompt based on your description. This is where the magic happens. The model will synthesize your notes and come up with a prompt specifically tailored to create the image you've been envisioning. Now let's talk about the next step, which is copying the prompt you've generated. You'll need to paste this prompt into Gemini. This step is pretty straightforward. Open your Gemini interface and look for the input area where you can add your prompt. After pasting it, there's a little icon you need to click on. It's usually represented by a plus sign. Select it to indicate that you want to create an image based on the prompt you've just provided. After you click on the plus icon, your next move is to generate the image itself. On Gemini, you should see a button that says Generate. Go ahead and click that. What you're doing here is signaling to the AI to create the 3D photo based on all the information you've provided. At this point, you may feel a mix of excitement and anticipation waiting to see the result. While the image is being generated, take a moment to reflect on what you might want to tweak once you see the first results. Sometimes the image may not turn out exactly as you envisioned. Don't worry. One of the advantages of using AI is that you can refine the prompts and adjust the details until you achieve the desired effect. Simply return to your prompt. Make any necessary adjustments, maybe add more detail, or change something about the object's appearance, and generate it again. Once the image has been generated, take your time to review it. Look closely at the features and elements that the AI has created based on your initial description. If anything catches your eye, you can always revisit the previous steps to modify them. And don't forget to enjoy the creativity that this tool offers. Who knows, you might discover new ideas along the way. In summary, creating 3D photos with a Gemini AI prompt involves a blend of imagination and technical steps. By clearly visualizing your object, describing it in detail, crafting an effective prompt for the AI, and going through the generation process, you'll open the door to a world of creative possibilities. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to try it out for yourself, and if you liked what you saw, please consider subscribing to the channel for more creative tutorials. Happy creating!